So here's the car that we rented to drive to orientation. We just rented it to drive there, and then we're just gonna drop it there and just be in the hotel for the... Aiden, you didn't close the door! Oh, they got it. Yeah, so we're just gonna be in the hotel for orientation. There's a shuttle that goes back and forth into Walmart and blah blah blah. So yeah, alright. So I'm ready to go. Let's go. Let's go see what hotel we're staying in, what orientation is at and whatnot.
Di Babu? Huh?
That's Keisha's son, Aiden.
Là, pour qui ça lui est ton coin?
Trying to be perfect because I'm recording.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's go. Anale.
We hope that you never end up in an accident out there on the road. But in the unfortunate event that a wreck does occur, it's important that you know what to do. First, report the accident to local authorities for investigation of the scene. No matter if the accident occurs on public U.S. Express name and the toll-free number for the claims department.
Wait, class.
That's why you can't carry a little portable barbecue grill.
Sure, hazmat. Canada claim to some license and clear by either portable.
Do the trail like have any type of hazard material?
Good job, good job, good job. Okay guys, so we're just leaving orientation for today. It was a long ass day. Came in at like 7 o'clock and it's like 5 o'clock and we're just going back. We got a lot done today. I'll explain it later when I get back to the hotel. Not right now. So I look a hot mess because I'm not trying to be in the camera too much. But yeah, so that's it. I got too many clothes on. We're making too many friends here. Alright guys, so we are back at the hotel after our first day of orientation. Yeah. So basically, we did a lot of stuff there today, starting with like paperwork, and then we did drug test, and then we did a physical, like a medical physical, like that you need to get your CDL. And then when you do orientation for companies, they always give you another one, like their own. But we also did like a physical test where we had to like crawl under and like climb up and like lift boxes. I don't know why, but I'm guessing because they have a whole bunch of accounts that are like Dollar General and like Family Dollar and stuff, where they're gonna basically be touching the freight, like what I was doing at US Foods. But I'm not doing that anymore. But I still had to do the physical test. And then after that, we had lunch. They got everybody Subway. We got to order what we wanted, and they got a Subway. And then after that, we did a backing test and a road test. But I don't know, I was nervous before we did the backing test, just because I've been driving the day cabs, like the local trucks, which the trailer is smaller and the tractor doesn't have a sleeper berth. So when I got in this truck, that thing was looking super long, and I was like, dang, I haven't seen you in a while. So yeah guys, basically this is just the journey to starting a new company. Now we are about to go eat. Tomorrow I think we're just gonna learn like the little GPS, their own little version of it. We had a Qualcomm with Werner. They have a different one here, so we're just gonna be learning it. And then hopefully the plan is by the end of the day to see where we're at and hopefully get our truck soon. But yeah, so we're gonna go eat now at Applebee's. Apparently all the guys went over there. We're the only two girls here, of course. But apparently all the guys walked over to Applebee's, so I think we're gonna walk over there as well and have some dinner. Probably just us two though. So, but we got the idea from them. Except Babe's editing right now. Baby.
Hi.
So yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for today.
Are you taking them to dinner?
I don't know.
No.
Maybe I'll bring you guys to dinner. We'll see. There's a whole f***ing bug right there. What is that?
A bug?
Get a shoe for me.
A
It's
bug?
going to my clothes. Babe, give me a shoe.
I'm trying to take it out.
Step on it. Don't take it off. Just step on it. Oh my god. Who takes their shoe off to kill a bug and it's on your foot?
It wasn't a bug.
Babe, it was like a spider.
Yeah, but it wasn't like a roach.
It was still like a spider. I forgot my clothes and then it got on me and bit me one day. So anyway, alright guys, I will see you at dinner. Let's go. Bye. Cause tonight, baby, I wanna get freaky with you. I see your underwear. Right there. Stop it, put it away. That's mine. So Cracker Barrel was close to you guys.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna eat at Cracker Barrel because it's literally right next to the hotel. And Applebee's like a whole 9-minute walk.
It was that bad. This one is right there.
This one is literally right here. So we're gonna go eat at Cracker Barrel. Okay guys, so Babe hasn't played this game before, but we're gonna see
Show them the game.
how she does. I'm gonna show her. Oh, I gotta talk to him first. So we're gonna see how she does.
I'm gonna be.
I don't know if you guys have ever been to Cracker Barrel, but this thing is legit. Like, I can never get like less than 3 left. So let's watch her play. Basically, all you have to do is like skip one over the other one into an empty hole, and then whichever one you skip over, you take it out. And you want to have the least amount left as possible.
Okay. So when do we start?
Now.
Oh, go right now? Oh, there's one empty here. Right?
Yeah. There's gonna start with one empty one.
Okay. That's for me?
Yeah, you just leave it out.
Okay. Keep going?
Yeah.
What about you?
No, you, by yourself.
Oh, I play by myself.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can I go this way? No.
You can jump anyway as long as you can jump it.
Oh. I can. Can I jump?
Okay, babe. How many do you have left?
4.
No. We pick this thing up
Uh-huh.
and leave 4. What does it say?
Leave what?
Leave 4 because you left 4 of them. So what does it
Leave
say?
4 or more and you're just what?
Leave 4 or more and you're just
Leave
playing
4 or more or you're just
ignoramus.
ignorant. What is that?
They're calling you retarded.
Oh, it's saying. It tells you what you are.
Because I usually leave 3 and it says leave 3 and you're just plain dumb.
What about me right now? What does it say?
You're
Leave 4 or more, you're
ignoramus.
just plain ignoramus.
It says
What does that mean?
ignoramus, but it's ignoramus. But it's just a funny way to say like ignoramus. I don't know what they're trying to say. What's the word? But they're basically calling you dumb.
Not dumb.
No, you're not, baby. Good job though. That was your first time playing. Not bad. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
We got some chicken. Chicken.
That's a big old chicken. That's a big old chicken.